Welcome back! Thanksgiving is nearly upon us, and we thought we would bring you another pumpkin recipe, this time for pumpkin bread. Now this recipe makes 2 loaves, so don't forget to have 2 loaf pans ready. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, about 1½ sticks of unsalted butter, 2 cups sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. The first step is to combine all your dry ingredients. That includes your flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, and whisk together. In a different bowl, beat your butter and sugar until well blended. Then add your eggs one at a time. After a few minutes, beat in the pumpkin. Now you can start to add in your flour mixture and mix. Bake your bread at 325 degrees for 65 to 75 minutes. Now don't forget to enjoy your pumpkin bread with your friends and family, and happy Thanksgiving. Please leave a comment down below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.